In Bristol, I would definitely take a look here at the Clifton Observatory. It is a white tower that sits at the top of a cliff overlooking the famous bridge you just learned about. Now, started as a famous windmill almost 260 years ago, today is a scientific surprises. So let's walk through the 1760s, a long time ago, when a building was a windmill and used for corn into flour. This was 1777. During a massive storm, the sails of the windmill flew so fast that they caught on fire. The abandoned tower for 50 years sat abandoned and ruined, looking more like a shell of itself. An artist's giant eye in 1828, the artist William West decided to save the tower and turn it into an observatory of art and science. He installed many changes and how it uses a big mirror to capture a live video in the dark room. It was 2,000 year vision of a GoPro camera that he installed at the top. It was a very unique camera that's still working in the UK. Then you have the giant cave, the secret tunnel. This is the most exciting part of the observatory. William West spent 2 years digging a tunnel through the solid rock under the tower. You have to walk about 130 feet into the ground. The vision of the tower is a balcony, the giant cave, they call it the giant cave. There's a hole right in the middle of the limestone cliff. When you stand there, you're hundreds of feet above the river and nothing more below you. This is definitely a destination for people to get over. Not only is that, there's a museum that you can learn all about Bristol and the bridge and see old maps. And the rooftop, you can go to the rooftop and see miles and miles of clear sun. There's also a unique park surrounding it, and the main attraction would be that cave side, which is about, I think it was £3, and they do not accept cash. You have to bring your own. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come as we consistently try to find the best golf content. We're targeting locations like this all around the world. That's it for this video. Keep on looking for history.